Bruskies, so I'm here at Rad Industries, about to unload this car. And so it happens that TJ Hunt is here.
And we just got his sequentials, dog. He's trying it out.
Baller ass fool, huh?
Baller ass fool. Understatement.
Is he gonna hit it or what?
I doubt it. Maybe hit you. About as far as he gets. Sketchy ass motherfucker. I'm moving.
What was your uncle? Okay. That's your ribs. Sequential life, bros. Holy shit. Is that a 350? Is that a 350?
85 boys! 91?
No más dale, güey.
I wouldn't leave it in gear in your trailer, like.
No?
Is the only thing that change how
Race car.
easy it like revs, like it feels more free. Like there's like a lightweight flywheel or something. The flywheel's way better. Okay, like I can tell a difference on it.
Alright, broskies, just finished unloading this BMW. Ahí está. Alright, broskies, I'm fucking tired. I don't know if you guys can see it in my face, but we're gonna go home right now because last night I bought a car that I want to show you guys. So I'm gonna get some lunch and then I'll head home and then I'll show you guys the fucking sick ass daily that I just bought. So I'm excited to show you guys. Alright, broskies, so I'm back at the house. You guys ready to see my new daily car? Hey, wait, what do you think of my new car?
If I had the money, I would have bought it. I would have bought it.
I can sell it to you, bro. Anything's for sale, ya sabes. Oh, I don't have my trailer right now because Christian's helping out one of his homies move, I believe it's a $2. So, oh, and then also I'm gonna go pick up my 3-car trailer right now because tomorrow we're gonna be out at Grange for the 626 event. So yeah, if you guys are gonna be out there, cáiganle. I won't be driving because I gotta tow 3 cars, but I might take my fucking Yamaha, my off-road side by side, so we can hit the trails and shit. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys the car. Ready, way? Are they ready?
Hey, last night when I drove it, that shit pulls, way.
That shit fucking pulls, huh? All right. Ready? Sam, Zeddy.
1,
Zam, Zeddy. I got
Hey.
bam, broskies. Broskies. Check this shit out. It's fucking clean. Let me go to the other side so I can show it to you guys. Pop the trunk. Is it open or no? Zam, Zaddy. Fuck. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited on this car. Broski, so I have a confession to make. I don't think I told you guys, but I think last month, was it last month? I think last month I sold my Civic, right? Was it last month when I sold the Civic?
Almost 2 months ago.
So anyways, I sold my SI, and ever since then I'm like, fuck, I want to buy another daily car, you know? But I've always wanted like a 370, and as you guys remember, I bought the other one, but the other one was too fucked up, and I ended up selling it to my boy, baby. So he ended up keeping it, and he's currently drifting it. So I don't want to. I really didn't want to keep that Z at that time, because I initially I wanted like something clean that I can daily, and then I really didn't want to roll around in the Civic. So that's why I got rid of it, and then I found this one for a fucking killer deal. So I went to pick it up yesterday. So here it is. So this is a 09 sport model 370D. It's fucking dope. Let's start it up, ¿o qué pedo? This shit's fucking loud. I don't like it. Let me pop the hood. Let me show you guys the sick ass Skyline engine. I'm just kidding. Damn, Daniel. Damn, broskies. Really clean. Fucking beautiful, ¿verdad, güey?
Okay.
Te lo vendo, güey. Hey, güey. Por ahí me dijeron que tiene las nalgas de Hank Hill. Let me see them. One of you guys commented on the previous video that fucking Alfonso had nalgas de Hank Hill. Shit's funny. But yeah, broskis, what do you think? Comment down below. What should I do to it?
I personally think it's the cleanest Z that you ever bought.
Oh yeah, definitely, way fucking clean. I'm not a fan of buying cars that are already that are clean already. But I mean, there's always a first, no way.
Yeah, this one was it.
This is it right here. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what mods I should do to this shit. I really don't want to go too crazy with it, because I want to daily it. But that shit's gotta go. That shit's too fucking loud. Let's take it for a rip, okay, pedo?
Yeah.
Alright.
I drove it already.
You fucking drove it already. I haven't even driven this car, broskis.
I drove it back.
Can you guys believe that shit? I haven't even driven it. Alfonso drove it back because We picked it up where in San Diego, ¿verdad?
Oceanside.
Yeah, Oceanside. So, oh, that shit was fucking far. And then on the way back, I had to tow a car, so we dropped it off the trailer. Alfonso drove it home, and then that's it. That's where it's been sitting since last night. But we're gonna take it for a rip right now. See, let's see how she fucking drives. Hey, broski. So, like a month ago, también, ¿verdad? We brought another dog because we're trying to have babies, you know, with Tatiana, and we don't know yet if she's pregnant. But we're gonna show you guys her stomach, and then you guys tell us if she's pregnant. I'm really not sure. Ben, come here, girl. Ben. Look at her titties. They never look like that.
You can see that small bump.
Baby bump. A ver, ven. I don't know. What do you guys think?
I think she is.
You think she is?
Give it like about
Another week or two?
like about 2-3 weeks.
Wait, it's been already. It's already been a month, and I don't even know.
Well, online it says 68 days, I think it is.
68 days. Okay, hopefully she is. All right, broskies, let's go fucking take the 370 for a rip. Check it out. This shit even comes with the seat harnesses. By the way, it's probably not even gonna fit me, bro.
No cabes, güey.
I'm too fat. Let's see. No quepo, güey. Vale madre, güey. Fuck this shit. I'm gonna probably get the stock ones or some longer ones. Too fucking loud. That little pitito. She rips. Bros, broskies. Fuck yeah, she matches pretty good. What do you think, güey? She rips or no?
Yeah. Asusten.
¿Te asustaste, güey? ¿Te mojaste, güey? You're supposed to say me mojé, güey. Verga, no mames. Fuck this shit. It's too fucking loud, güey. I ain't driving this shit yet. It drives fucking sick, though. I'm excited. I'm so fucking pumped. Oh, I have a daily now. I have a fucking daily. It's too fucking loud though. Let's put her side by side with the Z, with the 350. I don't scrape going up my driveway. Alright, bros, he's comment down below what you guys think and let me know what mods I should do. But I think fucking first things first, the fucking exhaust. That shit's too fucking loud. I can't drive around fucking my city with that kind of bullshit. But after that, probably I'll get some fucking coilovers. I really like these wheels, these rays. So maybe just some coils, and then that's pretty much it. Maybe some sick ass alignment after that. Check out how they look side by side. Nice. Nice. Sexy. Nice. Yeah, which one has a bigger butt? Comment down below. Not you, way. Hinche vato, I got you. Alright, broskis, if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.